Welcome to the Whisky Academy, where we provide an unparalleled whisky education experience. Our academy is dedicated to providing whisky enthusiasts of all levels with the knowledge and skills needed to appreciate, understand, and enjoy whisky. Our academy offers 3 levels of courses that cater to whisky enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners to connoisseurs. Our foundation course is perfect for those who are new to whisky or looking to expand their knowledge. Our intermediate and advanced courses provide in-depth knowledge and expertise to those who want to take their passion for whisky to the next level. Our courses are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of whisky, including its history, production, and tasting techniques. We believe that whisky is a truly remarkable spirit and that its story deserves to be told. Our courses are not just about the liquid in the bottle, but about the people, places, and cultures that make whisky what it is. In addition to our courses, we also offer tours of some of Scotland's most iconic whisky distilleries. Our tours are led by expert guides who provide a unique insight into the whisky-making process and a chance to taste some of the world's finest whiskies. Our tours are an unforgettable experience and a must-do for any whisky enthusiast. As a recognized training provider by the UK government, our courses are of the highest quality and are taught by knowledgeable instructors who are passionate about whisky. Our courses are recognized by employers, and many of our graduates have gone on to have successful careers in the whisky industry. Our commitment to quality education extends beyond our courses, and we are proud to offer our students ongoing support and access to resources. We believe that learning about whisky is a journey, and we are here to support our students